Namaskar everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So in we are continuing our sixth chapter. So let us begin the topic settlement manner of life and costume. So these are the some traditional ornaments of Nepal as you can see in the picture. So there is a deep and a direct relationship between the topographic and climate diversity of Nepal. It is because of topography and climate diversity that there is a diversity in the settlement manner of life costume among the people living here. The diversity in the settlement manner of life and costume in Tarai Hill and mountains according to the topographical division has been described below. This is a yak carrying the goods in the mountain region. So in the mountain region lies in the northern part of the Nepal, as we know that there is no much production here because it is covered with the snow for almost half of the year. Potatoes, barley, uva, apple, etc. are grown here. The pressure of the population in this region are very low. Mostly the Sherpa and Lepcha etc. live here. Since it is very cold here, some people go to the district of the hills and the Tarai to avoid the cold and to earn doing of the business on the medical hubs. There is not much development of infrastructure in this region, and thus the life is very difficult. And moreover, the climate change has created extra trouble to the life of traditional lifestyle of the people living there. So the people living in this region wear thick clothes like bhoto, docha, bakhu, etc. People from this region mainly eat millets, buckwheat, potato, flesh, and food items made from them. So in the hilly region, the people from different castes and ethnicities live from east to west of the hilly region. Mainly the Rais and Limbus lives in the eastern Nepal, whereas Brahman, Kshetri, Newar, Magar, Gurung live in the mid Nepal. So the Nepal people from the same caste and ethnicity live in the west too. Every community has their own language, culture, and tradition according to their caste and religion. People living in this region wears daura, surwal, khachad, patuka, and topi. People of the region eat maize, millet, yogurt, milk, soybean, and the food items made from them. Though some places have transport facilities, the life of the people living in this place of region is still difficult due to the lack of basic needs like road, education, and communications. So this is you can see the picture of ox cart in the Tarai region. So in the Tarai region lies in the south of the Nepal. The transportation is developed in this region as a region is claimed. So the lifestyle of the Tarai region is easier as comparison with the mountain and the hilly region because of the land is fertile. The major occupation of the people of Tarai is agriculture. As it is hot in the region, people wear dhoti, kurta, lungi. People in the regions mainly eat food like lentils, bread, rice, fish, yogurt, milk. The festival like Lakshmi Puja, Chhat, Siruva Magya celebrated with the much joy in this region. So with this, I think we should end this lecture and we'll discuss a brief introduction in the different castes and ethnic groups of the Nepal in the next lecture. So thank you for watching. So hope you meet you in the next class. Thank you. Jai Nepal.